Hi, my name is Gene Christian Brutus, and this presentation will provide a detailed cost estimate of the crowdfunding campaign that we are running for Jeff Fleury's Fabrication shop in Haiti. Bottom line up front, these slides provide a detailed explanation of how we determine the crowdfunding goal range of $10,100 to $12,800. We'll provide tools and equipment estimates for go-kart kits, and also additional fees and expenses that are involved. This slide provides current versus requested tools and equipment. On the left here is a table showing what Jeff currently has available and what he's been using to work on his ongoing projects or whatever he's accomplished in the past. To the right is a table showing what this crowdfunding campaign is looking to provide. As you can see in between, there's a big gap between what's currently available and what we are trying to provide to Jeff. Under the description is a list of items that Jeff requested to improve his capabilities. We use northerntool.com to find item numbers and prices associated with each item to calculate the total amount. At the bottom of the table, you can see that the subtotal is $3,190. With 6% sales tax, the total for tools and equipment would be $3,381. We'll provide 3 go-kart kits initially because Jeff's goal is to build a total of 5 rental go-karts. We thought we would limit it to 3 in order for the total crowdfunding goal, at least the minimum, would be around $10,000. Rental fees will help maintain a continuous source of income. The minimum threshold crowdfunding goal will provide 3 of the 5 that he is looking for. To make it easy for Jeff and his apprentices, we plan to provide go-kart kits, as shown on the bottom here, as well as the components that he will need to complete each go-kart. The table in the middle here provides an estimate for each go-kart. The source, description, and item number and prices for each of the components, at least the main components. And at the bottom of the table, you can see a subtotal of $1,110 for each go-kart kit, plus sales tax times 3 would give you a total of $3,530 for 3 go-karts. Total estimate. This is a table providing the total from the tools, the go-karts presented in the previous 2 slides that come first. We plan on providing safety equipment such as glasses, gloves, boots, welding accessories, $200. Shipping and customs, taxes in Haiti are expected to be around $1,200. We'll also provide cash to Jeff, $200 for miscellaneous material and nuts and bolts to complete the go-karts, and cash also for infrastructure improvement such as adding a roof to his shop and adding cabinets and benches. Total expenses is expected to be around $9,111. From the amount raised, GoFundMe will charge a fee of 5%. The payment processing website, WePay.com, will charge 2.9% plus 30 cents per donation. Total expenses plus the fees is $10,059, which is why we set the minimum or threshold goal at $10,100. The balance of $41, if there is a balance, at that point will go towards adding the 2 additional go-kart kits that Jeff is looking for. At the bottom here is what Jeff gains in terms of assets. So $7,952. Assets are what Jeff receives at the end of the campaign: tools, equipment, go-karts, and cash. And assets are worth the total amount raised minus shipping, taxes, and fees. This is what it would cost to add 2 of the additional go-karts that Jeff is looking for. So 2 times the fees and expenses provided before for each go-kart. Total expenses and fees for 2 additional one would be $2,642. That's why we set the additional crowdfunding goal, the objective crowdfunding goal, to $2,700, and the balance would be $59. Anything remaining from this balance would be provided to Jeff for miscellaneous expenses. He can add it towards the safety equipment or facility improvements or the nuts and bolts that he would need to finish the go-karts. And again, at the bottom is what he gains in terms of assets with those 2 additional go-kart kits, so $2,412. In summary, we set crowdfunding goals threshold to be $10,100 and the objective to be $12,800. That's the range for our goal. And what he's gaining in terms of assets, as explained before, that value will range between $7,952 and $10,364. Again, threshold will give 3 go-karts, and objective will result in 5 go-karts. Thank you for watching this presentation. We invite you to visit the crowdfunding campaign website, gofundme.com/JellyJeffFlurry. Thank you.